Yes! The audio tool that I've been trying to build for the past 5 days, that's why episode 5 hasn't come out yet, is finished. Let's check it out. We have our tool that I just showed you, but I don't really like the word selection. I just want to pick the words that I want and go really quickly. I took the open source part of that and then put it into this, which is still in progress. We're going to go ahead and choose a file and we're going to do typical. It's going to upload it. It's going to use the same formatting stuff, and this is all running locally. Then I can push spacebar to play and preview. This is a typical demonstration of me speaking clearly. And you can see we can mark common fillers, but there's really none. I'm gonna go back and then I can do X for cut, but I just wanna say yes, and then anything that isn't selected will be cut out. I'm just gonna go Y. There's no yes key, I wish there was. Yes. This is a typical demonstration, bop, 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 bop. And then I'll go this, where I have some edits, then this is typical speech. Then I'll export the exported file and it'll give me a confirmation of what's going to be cut and what will be exported. Let's play it. This is a typical demonstration of me speaking clearly, where I have some edits. This is typical speech. Yes! Then I can download the video. This is a typical demonstration of me speaking clearly, where I have some edits. This is typical speech. Amazing. Now, product specialists can quickly make and edit videos without Adobe Premiere, and it's super simple. And another hot tip, because if you see that I have a pink cursor, I usually have to manually put a pink cursor in my videos, but I just decided to turn pink. Go to System Preferences, Pointer, and then you could do pointer size, which is kind of ridiculous, but you can make a cool video and just say, click here, and then it'll be obvious. I'm really excited, if you can't tell. And I'm gonna edit this video with that. Here we go.